Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to move an app from one drive to another. Let's use Google Chrome as an example. Alright, we search for Google Chrome, right-click and select Open File Location. Now we're at the shortcut. Right-click again and choose Open File Location once more. We're now in the Apps folder. Let's go back one level and again. Here's the app folder. Right-click and select Cut. Go to your desired drive. I'll use the folder called Apps and paste Google Chrome here. After this, it'll be here and work fine. That's it. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.